Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, simplify square root of 2 into 1 plus under root 1 plus x to the power 24 minus 1 divided by 2 times x to the power 12, its square, where x is any positive real number. We have to simplify 2 times 1 plus square root of 1 plus x to the power 24 minus 1 divided by 2 times x to the power 12, its square. Okay, now let's start this. This is equals to, first solve the square root, 1 plus square root of this 1 plus a minus b bracket square, it means a square minus 2ab means minus 2x to the power 24 plus b square means plus 1 divided by 2 times x to the power 12, its square. Okay, now this is 2 times 1 plus square root of, LCM of this is 2 times x to the power 12, its square, it means 4x to the power 24. Okay, 4x to the power 24. Now the LCM is this, so multiply this, 4x to the power 24 minus 2 times x to the power 24 plus x to the power 24, its square, plus 1 divided by 4x to the power 24. Okay, so square root of 2 into 1 plus, this is square root of x to the power 24, its square, plus 4 minus 2 is 2 into x to the power 24 plus 1 divided by, we can write this again, 2 times x to the power 12, its square. Okay, this is bracket. Now next step will be square root of 2 into 1 plus, as here we can observe that a square plus 2ab plus b square is there, so it is a plus b bracket square, that is x to the power 24 plus 1, its a square. Okay, divided by 2x to the power 12, its square. So again 2 times 1 plus, if we take a square root, means cancel the square root and square, we get x to the power 24 plus 1 divided by 2 times x to the power 12. Okay, now here again LCM is 2 times x to the power 12, so 2 into 2x to the power 12 plus x to the power 24 plus 1 divided by 2 times x to the power 12. So it is 2 get cancelled, and we can write this as x to the power 12, its square, plus 2 times x to the power 12 plus 1 divided by this x to the power 12. Now again this is a square plus 2ab plus b square means a plus b bracket square, it means x to the power 12 plus 1 bracket square divided by x to the power 12. Okay, now taking square root on both, taking square root of this numerator and denominator, we get That is x to the power 12 plus 1, x to the power 12 plus 1 divided by x to the power 12, its square root. It means x to the power 12 to the power half. It means x to the power 6. Okay. Hence our correct option will be option C.